Some days the work starts before the sun's even up. It takes more than just grit. It takes the right tools. Out here, everything has a purpose. Feed, fix, build, grow. Because in every job, time matters, and so does safety. When the work stacks up, there's no room for delay. That's why every tool has its place, right by your side, ready for whatever comes next. Gear that doesn't quit means more time for what counts and more security in every step. From the tools to the tractor, you're not just working. You're building something that matters. And with every task, you get a little closer to the end of the day, to a job well done. After all, there's always one reason that matters most. Gear Hall, because every moment counts, on the field and at home.